Good morning to all of you. I am Chetna Suri, teacher educator from the Department of Educational Studies from Central University of Jammu. Firstly, I want to thank the organizers for giving me such an opportunity to present my paper under title Significance of ICT in the Teacher Education. This paper is the joint paper and co-authored by the Sachin Kumar and Poonam Pandita, teacher educators, Department of Educational Studies from the Central University of Jammu. Today we are living in the 21st century and it is the time of the data and innovation. Each part of our life is recognized with the science and innovation. Presently, data and innovation is used in educational field for making learning fruitful and arousing curiosity of students and teachers both. In 1998, UNESCO World Education Report alludes that understudy and teachers should have adequate admittance to improve computerized innovation and the web in their homeroom, schools, teacher educational organizations. Teachers should have the information and abilities to utilize new advanced instruments to assist all understudies with accomplishing scholarly norm. Teachers are at the center of any living society. Advances assume a significant part in preparing project of teachers. Students get information and data through TV, advanced media, link organization, web, online media that is Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, WeChat, and so forth. ICT is a vital for pre-administration teacher education program in 21st century. Without legitimate information on ICT, teacher can't act in his or her study hall and it could not be accomplished. Use of ICT in teacher education. The study hall is presently changing its look from the customary one, that is, from one way to two-way correspondence. Presently, education is the youngsters driven education, so the teacher should plan their lessons by considering the needs and advancement in the technology to make learning more interesting. ICT has empowered better and swifter correspondence. That is, thoughts can be introduced and applied in a more interesting way. It is the most important instrument through which understudies are updated and can search data from numerous sources. Now, these days, understudy and students are more educated than previously. So, ICT is really essential for teacher education. Now, ongoing trends in teacher education. Now, requirement of general public are changing, which gives importance to the different educational practices. In teacher education, also, practices are changed. It is normal that teacher education should incorporate new innovations. Teachers should know the correct perspectives and the qualities and try to develop abilities by adapting the new innovations. As we know, the main purpose of any preparation program is to assist the learners with securing the essential abilities and skills of decent teacher. Presently, we have new patterns in teacher education, our interdisciplinary approach, correspondence courses, direction courses, and so on. Reproduce teaching, micro teaching, programmed instruction, team teaching are additionally utilized in teacher education. Action research is also executed in teacher education. ICT is a way through which teacher is refreshed and assess variety of data. ICT helps in changing instructional techniques, assessment system, and so on for efficiency of teacher education system. Various strategies for applying ICT in teacher education: providing satisfactory framework and specialized help, applying ICT in integrating subjects, applying new pre-administrated teacher education program. Now, role of ICT in 21st century teacher education. ICT helps teacher in both pre-service and in-service teacher training. It helps in communicating with understudies, especially in present situation. ICT helps in educating understudies and giving input. ICT encourages different teachers to assess different organizations and universities. It also helps in proper utilization of ICT programs and equipment for instructing and learning. It helps to improve teaching and developing innovative teaching techniques. As we know, the students are really smart, so the teacher should have competence to deal with such smartness, and this will be possible through ICT. To integrate ICT in pre service teacher education, various techniques and procedures are applied. Different innovative techniques are used for teaching to help teachers. ICT prepares teachers to utilize their abilities in the best way possible and also prepares students for occupation and public activities. ICT also acts as assisting tool for preparation, distribution, gathering information and documentation. ICT is a device for providing instructions and self learning. ICT also serves as a storage device where educational organizations can securely store data. ICT bridges gap between teacher and student and overcome the barriers of education and communication, especially in present situations. ICT also saves times in the transfer of data. ICT encourage teacher to distinguish innovative and the special students in foundation stage. uh, at last, teacher occupies a crucial position in the society. ICT helps the teacher to refresh the knowledge and utilize the advanced devices and equipments. By using all the features of ICT, pupil teacher will become successful teachers. ICT is one of the major factor for producing the rapid changes in our society. It can change the nature of education and roles of the students and teacher in teaching learning process. Teachers in India now started using technology in the classroom. Laptops, CDs, projector, desktop, educom, smart classes, memory sticks are becoming the common media for the teacher education institutions. So we use information and communication technology in teacher education in the 21st century because teachers can create a bright future with the help of ICT for the students. Thank you.